We strive to provide our customers with the best service possible. So when we get a 5-star review like this, we have to show it to the world.
Landscape Investments gave us A+ quality and service on our new fence design and installation. Greg was very knowledgeable, promptly returned all my calls, and made the entire process seamless. Providing excellent quality at a fair price was a promise kept. His team was also very professional and efficient. Our new fence is absolutely beautiful, and I look forward to working with Landscape Investments on future home beautification projects.
So let us put our knowledge, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from our happy customers. We appreciate you stopping by and watching, and we're happy to answer any questions you may have. We are only one call away from serving you.